In this video, I'll guide you through the process of permanently deleting your Facebook account using the Facebook app on iPhone, Android, or Samsung devices. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really supports my work. Keep in mind that Facebook frequently updates its menu layout. For the most recent method, check the description or the pinned comment below for an updated tutorial. To begin, open the Facebook app and tap the menu icon located near the Facebook logo at the top of the screen. Once the menu appears, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, go to Account Center. From there, scroll down and tap Personal Details, then select Account Ownership and Control. Next, tap Deactivation or Deletion. Choose the Facebook account you want to remove, then select Delete Account and tap Continue. You'll be asked to choose a reason for leaving, select one, and continue. Facebook may offer alternative solutions based on your choice. Simply tap Continue to proceed. You'll then see information about what happens when your account is deleted, including the loss of access to Messenger. You'll also have the option to deactivate your account temporarily instead, or download your data. If you're red, Y to move forward, tap Continue, enter your Facebook password, and confirm your decision. After final confirmation, your Facebook account will be permanently deleted.